to get the title Sheikh al-Islam. But he is not the famous Sheikh al-Islam that you know. But he get also this title Sheikh al-Islam. Several scholars, they got this title. From that is our scholar today. This great Imam, he didn't meet the Sahaba, but he was very close to the age of the Sahaba. His father was working as a slave for a rich person having a farm. So he told him, stay in this farm and take care of it. Then after 3-4 months, his father came and he asked him, which of these trees having the sweet grapes and which has the sour one? He said, I don't know. He said, you don't know? You are here for 3-4 months and you didn't eat even a single piece? Yes, I didn't eat a single piece of fruit from this garden, it's not mine. He was surprised. He asked the neighbors. This slave is claiming he doesn't know the sweet from the sour. They said, Wallahi, we never seen him eating anything from the farm. He was surprised how this amana, mashallah. Just even, one grape come on the ground, he didn't pick up to eat. Then he told him, oh my slave, I want to consult you. I have everything in this dunya, but I got only one daughter. And this daughter, I want to choose for her a husband. How to choose the husband for my daughter? He said, oh my master, the rich people, they look for people having money. The people having classy lineage, they are looking for classy families and lineage. And those are looking for beauty and so on. But the Prophet Mohamed and the Sahaba, they were looking for the deen. Those who are having good practicing for Islam. So he said, so I didn't see in my life someone practice Islam better than you. I want to give you freedom and let you to marry my daughter. So he gave him freedom and he married the rich daughter, the beautiful daughter, and he got all these farms. Subhanallah. He was having a man not to eat one grape, Allah gave him all these farms. Subhanallah. Then, after the marriage, from this big family and righteous family, Allah blessed them with our hero. Our hero grew up until 20 years, he was normal person, normal boy. So still there is hope in our youth. Until 20 years, he was normal. Yeah, there is hope, don't worry. When he reached 20 years old, he started to seek the Islamic knowledge. But he became the top of the top of the top until they called him Shaykh al-Islam, the Sheikh of all Islam. Allahu Akbar. Of course, he memorized the Quran and the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, and he was called Amir al-Mu'mineen in Hadith. Where this title is for very few people also all over the history to get the title Amir al-Mu'mineen in Hadith. And this person was very strange. Our hero, he was super duper rich. Billionaire. But how he is, this billionaire, he never paid the zakah. How come billionaire never pays the zakah, then kafir? No. He is spending all his income that he 1 year cannot come and still the income in his hands. How is spending? He's spending his money for the students of knowledge and the scholars. He would say, those people are protecting Islam. Those are shield for our deen, the students of knowledge and the scholars. And I don't want them to have troubles in their dunya. So I suffice them and I take their reward also. So he was giving a lot of scholarship or sponsoring a lot of students of knowledge and scholars. Not only that, he was doing jihad a lot. Where's the time? Doing jihad and Prince of Believers in Hadith and one of the top ever scholars, Sheikh al-Islam, giving fatwa, teaching people and also going for jihad a lot. and he was covering his face in jihad. He doesn't want anyone to know him, and doing his best like a superhero, and no one knows who's this in the battle. And at night in jihad, he is the one you see him like what do you call it?
Spear.
Yeah, like a spear, or like a wall standing, pillar, like a pillar standing all over the night. Qiyamul Layl. Amazing person. Who is this person? This person was going for Hajj almost every year, except if he is in jihad, he will go for Hajj. But you will be very lucky if you will go with this Sheikh for Hajj. Why? He will tell people in his city or his village, whoever wants to go for Hajj, come with me. Then he would make a wallet. Put your money here, everyone, 10,000, 5,000, 20,000, whatever, in this wallet. And after collecting the money of the whole group, let's say 100, 150, they will go for the Hajj. They say, okay, I'm responsible for the money. Don't worry. I will arrange all the food. I will arrange all the expenses. Don't worry about anything. He would arrange the food for them, the best food. They say, Falawdaj, this is very special food in the past for rich people. He will feed them from this, like now special, seafood, shrimp and crab or whatever. He will give them all over the trip premium food. And when they reach Mecca, they will tell them, okay, what do you want from gifts to take it back for your family? I want this, I want that. Okay, I will buy for you. He will buy, don't worry, it's from the wallet, don't worry. He will buy the gifts for everyone. Go to Medina. Who wants any gifts from Medina for his family? I want this, I want that. Okay, he will buy everything for the Hujjaj. Then they will go back. After going back and taking some rest from the Hajj, he will call for a big walima in his big house and call all these Hujjaj and tell them now it's time to return back, calculate the money and give everyone, if he has something to pay more or whatever, he will give everyone his pocket, he will open exactly same money. Imam, how come? Don't worry. It was my pleasure to serve all of you for free. It's the money of Allah. And he returns back the money of everyone complete. Allahu Akbar. So wonderful. What's this? And he would make one condition. If you want to come with me for Hajj, I have one condition. What's this condition? I will be your servant. What do you mean, Imam? I'm the one to serve the food and make any service. If you accept, otherwise don't come with me. He is in service and he is paying for everyone and he is in the greatest ibadah and he is the top scholar with knowledge. Who is this?
Allah.
This is amazing person in the history. This is really one of the top. One of his students saying, I joined the journey with this great Imam to understand how he is so great in the hearts of people. What is he doing in secret? So when I went with him, he's like his salah is like normal people, like praying the sunan and qiyamul normally, not 100, 200 rak'ah every day. His recitation for Quran also normally, 3-4 juz maybe every day, normal, like everyone. So what's special? I want to know. While being in this jihad, in the tent, the light was like the gas they are using for the light finished. So it was so dark. So they called someone to bring some gasoline or some gas to turn on the light again. When they turned on the light, suddenly they found him weeping out, the tears coming on his cheek. Now he got something special. They asked him, why are you crying? He said, don't ask me, it's not your matter. Please tell me, why are you crying? He just said, I remember the darkness of the qabr. So I became scared that Allah will make my qabr dark. So I was weeping out. Now he understood. His heart is different. The iman in his heart is different. He is seeing the akhirah in front of his eyes. This great Imam has a lot of stories. I will just give you another story. You know, it needs 1 hour for this Imam. It's amazing. One time, there was what they call no rain, drought for a long time, and people are suffering, no rain, no water, making dua, but rain is not coming. He entered the masjid secretly. He found one slave making sujood, and he heard this slave saying, "Oh Allah, I am asking you by the secret between me and you." What's the secret between this slave and Allah? I am asking you by the secret between me and you to send down the rain now. The Imam said, as if the sky was huge tabs of water open suddenly, huge rain, until people like were going to sink, like huge rain. So he said, "Oh Allah, I didn't mean it like this. Like, please make it around us, not over us, like not to make trouble for us." Then the rain stopped. Subhanallah al-Azim. The Imam, of course, this slave didn't notice that someone heard him. So Imam started to follow until he noticed that he entered a house of one trader. And this Imam was great trader, super rich. Everyone knows him in the city that he is very rich trader. So he told him, the master, "I want to buy one of your slaves." He said, Okay, Imam, of course. It's my pleasure, it's my order that you buy from me. He brought for him very big bodybuilding one. He said, "This slave is very strong, he can carry everything for you, do the service perfectly." No, not this one. "Okay, this one is very good in calculations for your..." No, not this one. He said, "Whom do you want, Imam? Maybe you mean this very weak, poor guy, very weak and miskin. This is one is fasting every day and making qiyam al-layl a lot. This one cannot help you, Imam. This one whom I want this one." Then he bought him. After he bought this slave, on the way going back to the house of the Imam, the slave asked the Imam, "Yeah, Imam, why you bought me? I have nothing special." He said, "You remember yesterday? The rain, the masjid?" And then the slave was very shocked. He said, "Okay, Imam, I want to pray 2 rakah." He said, "We are very close to another Imam, huge Imam. I will not say the name now because we have it later. So let's go to visit him in his house, then you can pray there." He said, "No, Imam, please, I want to pray right now 2 rakah, please." He said, "Okay, it's up to you." He prayed 2 rakah. In the sujood, the Imam came close to him. He said, "Oh Allah, this man exposed me, and the secret between me and you may be exposed. Oh Allah, take my soul right now." He didn't go up from sujood. He died in sujood. Who are those people? They are like human like us. What's this very, very high position with Allah that everything they say, they request from Allah, quick answer like this? Who are those people? Subhanallah. The Imam was very surprised about this slave. Subhanallah. This Imam, of course, one of the top, as I mentioned in the history, but many Muslims, they don't know him. And all his hadith, just you find his name in the chain of the hadith, it's like shining the hadith, the chain, when you find his name. So who is this wonderful, great Imam? He was born 118 after Hijrah and died 181. So maybe 63 years old, he passed away after long trips for Hajj and Jihad. From Khurasan. Yes, and he lived in Maru, in Medinat Maru in Turkmenistan. This is his main city. I want someone, not Karim, of course, no. They are saying I'm giving gifts only for Egyptians. I'm being accused like this. So I want someone not Egyptian, first of all. What? And then not adult, maybe. Not adult. Okay, I will say the multiple choice. No choice. Because no choice? No choice. Yeah. Okay, number 1, Abdullah ibn al-Mubarak. Number 2, Tawus ibn Kaysan. Number 3, al-Fudayl ibn Iyad.
انت ما فيش اصلا انت فاشل.
عبد الله كايتا ولا يحيى؟ عبد الله كايتا.
فضيل ابن
I'm sorry. So one more. Notice فضيل بن عياض. قول يا أحمد. Wrong answer. خلاص finish. It's Abdullah ibn Mubarak. So the correct answer is Abdullah ibn al-Mubarak. This blessed Imam, Abdullah ibn al-Mubarak, one of the top ever scholars in the history. He's called Sheikh al-Islam. And he was Amir al-Mu'mineen fil Hadith, Prince of Believers in Hadith. This great Imam who never paid zakat. We want this kind of people. Brother Nadeem, did you pay zakat before? Yes. Why, brother? You should distribute your money on your brothers and support. We want this kind of rich people. Yes.
Was he the one like you travel with someone's pen until Khurasan from Baghdad or something? After that, he realized the pen not belonged to him. He traveled back to Baghdad just to return the pen.
I don't know the story. But there are a lot of stories. Imam Abdullah ibn Mubarak, amazing. Yeah.